about it.
Yeah, surprising.
A few do. Less than you would think, you know, but we do. And we're bringing you along.
You're gonna know soon. This is the top of the ridge. We're almost to the Onion Mountain Lookout turnoff. And then when we get there, we're gonna drop behind the ridge. And so the hope is another sunrise. And, well, we've got a really cool feature to show you up here that
Yes.
it's pretty phenomenal. So we can't wait to unveil that.
Can't wait to show you. It's a beautiful thing that we have basically right in our backyard. Not many people know about it.
Yeah, surprising.
A few do. Less than you would think, you know, but we do. And we're bringing you along.
You're gonna know soon. There's the Onion Mountain Lookout, peeking into the sun, and we're gonna go behind that ridge line.
The lookout, when we were younger, growing up here, you could go up there, and they would give you Smokey the Bear stuff, and it was really cool.
Oh yeah.
They would teach you stuff, give you, you know, only you can prevent forest fire stuff and all that. It was awesome.
I remember there was like an owl too. It wasn't just Smokey, it was like the trash prevention
give a hoot,
owl.
don't pollute.
Yes, it was the pollute owl. Up that way, Briggs Valley and the Onion Mountain Lookout. That Briggs Valley road's a little rough right now after the fires. All the burn went through here. This place got torched. Well, basically a lot of southern Oregon has been torched in the last few years.
That is true.
That is true.
That is true.
So beautiful. That's the peak of Onion Mountain right there. You can see where the fire came through. That's where we're headed. That horizon over there. Different kinds of Manzanita, Madrone, insane variety of conifer.
I like the sound of the wind blowing through the trees. Very faint. Let's see. I hope our phones pick that up. The wind.
Oh, dude, it will be a sea of fog.
Yeah. Oh, sorry.
Oh, good.
6'10" view.
Cool little wash through the road here, and it exposed some nice pieces of serpentine. Look at this one's real glossy, super green. It's all over the place up here.
Serpentine. Gonna get that serpentine. All right. Thick.
All right, we're heading down to the cliffside. Mushroom. Little precarious going here.
Little scramble.
Really did a number on the ease of mobility through this. It's not easy. This makes all the effort worth it. What madness. Let's just take a moment to appreciate, aside from the insane majesty of this place, some of the smaller details of how cool this spot is. For one, giant pine cones. Look at that. Sugar pine. Thing's huge. Shit is so cool.
Yes, it is, man. Yes, it is.
Dude, look at what we just...
Oh, look at this stuff.
That's what we're talking about,
Yeah.
dude. That is a morning.
That's an adventure. Ooh.
Can't really appreciate the magnitude of this waterfall without seeing it from the drone.
Well, guys, that flying the drones was pretty butt puckering. If I had coal up my ass, we'd have diamonds.
We'll bring coal next time.
Butt puckering. Whew. That's the thing that resets your center of gravity.
Some more random cool stuff, but look at the color of this moss or lichen. This is like neon green. I love this stuff. There's like the pale teal. Beautiful little grotto to take a break near the cedar tree. Enjoy some of the aromas of the area. This place has quite the view.
So you got that on one side, and this on the other side. And check this out. Well, come on, guys. Check this out. It's like a hobbiton. Hobbiton, hobbiton. What a beautiful place. Haha, there's your thumbnail.
Oh yeah.